Hello friends, good morning. So today we're going to be doing area of a triangle, and you have done these before. If you look to the backboard and you copied the rules of the area of triangles off the backboard, thank you, and put them on your gold paper in its own block. Awesome. You know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So what we need to look for in the first example is the base and the height. Notice I've highlighted the height, and 10 is the base. So to get the area, you would do 10 times 6 divided by 2. You can plug it into your handy dandy calculator. 60 over 2 is 30. Now what are our units? Our units are centimeters. Centimeters squared. Area has units raised to the second power. Let's go to number 2. Excuse me, I've highlighted the height. It's 15, and the whole base is 8. So to find the area, it's base times height divided by 2. So it's 8 times 15 divided by 2. And 8 times 15 is 120. So it's 120 over 2, which is 60 feet squared. Number 3, if you notice, this first one was a right triangle where the base and height are the sides of the right angle. The second one is an acute triangle where the height's inside and the base is the whole bottom. And the third one is an obtuse triangle where sometimes the height's inside, but usually it's outside. And that would be 4. And then the base would only be the side of the triangle, here to here. This dashed means it's not connected, it's not part of it. So if you look, we have 9 times 4 divided by 2. And 9 times 4 is 36. Divided by 2, you get 18 meters squared. Great. Next, we're going to find the height of the triangle if the area is 39 inches squared. So yes, this is a sentence, but you can make it what you know. So here we have the important part, area 39 inches squared. And what are we looking for? We are looking for the height. So if you can do it in your head, good for you. If not, you may need to write it out. Now remember, area is base times height over 2. So the area that's given is 39, so we'll put that where the area goes. If we look at the picture, our base is 13. Do we know our height? It's x. Base times height, so 13 times x over 2. Now, you can do this where you get 6.5x equals 39, or make it a proportion. So you put 39 over 1, and there is equals between it, so you would cross multiply. So I would get 13x equals 2 times 39, which is 78. Then I would take 78 and divide it by 13, and I would get the answer of 6. So what is the height? The height is what I'm looking for. The height is 6 inches. How can I check myself? Well, if the height is 6 inches, then base times height divided by 2 should equal my area 39. Try it. 13 times 6 is 78. Divided by 2, I get ding, 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 39 inches squared. Rock on. All right, let's go to the last one. A triangle has an area of 84 inches squared. That's important. And a height of 14 inches. What are we looking for? We're looking for the base. That's what's unknown. So our area is 84 inches squared. Our height is 14 inches. And our base is our unknown x. You can use the formula, area is base times height over 2. So fill in what you know. 84 is the area. The base times height is 14 times x. over 2. Now, you have a choice. You can do 84 equals, this becomes 7x and go from there. Or you can put it over 1 and cross multiply if you want to stay consistent. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. So I will cross multiply just to stay consistent. And 2 times 84 is 168. 1 times 14x is 14x. Divide each side by 14. So 168 divided by 14 is 12. So x is 12. What was x? X was the base. So the base is 12 inches. Yay! Good. Some of you can do this in your head, I know. So if you can, more power to you. All right, let's turn it over. We're almost done. Okay, can you see this? And I hope you can see it all. All right, so let's find the ratio of the areas of similar triangles. Well, when you look on the backboard, you will see that the ratio of the areas, that means you're just comparing the areas. You take the area of the first triangle and put it over the area of the second triangle. And what happens is when you do that, you reduce it down, okay, to a scale factor. So, part A, find the ratio of the areas of the similar triangles. The important part is they have to be similar. Remember our squiggle? Oh, that's kind of a sad squiggle. All right, so let's find the area. This will be our first triangle. So the area of the first triangle, 4, our height is 2. 4 times 2 divided by 2. So 4 times 2 divided by 2. 8 over 2 is 4. So, can you see that? Yes. So our first triangle has an area of 4. Our second triangle, your base is 6, height is 3. Let's multiply them. 6 times 3 divided by 2. 6 times 3 is 18 over 2 is 9. So, in order to find the scale factor, first we found the areas, the ratio of them. That would be 4 and 9, okay? So, the ratio of the areas is 4 over 9. Ratio is a fraction. So the answer here is 4 over 9. Now, to find the scale factor, you take that 4 over 9 and simplify it. Can I simplify it? I'm going to go with no. All right? You can't reduce that at all. What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Didn't I? No, I didn't. We're good. You can't reduce it, so the scale factor is 4 over 9. Sorry. Brief pause. All right, let's find the ratio of the areas of the similar triangles. So first you find the area of triangle 1. Then you find the area of your cute triangle 2. And we'll put them in a fraction. So let's find the area of the first triangle. Looks like my height is 15. It's inside. Your base is all of 20. So it's 15 times 20 over 2. 20 times 15 is 300. Divided by 2 is 150 units squared. The second area, it looks like my height is 9 and my base is all of 12. So it would be 9 times 12 divided by 2. And 9 times 12 is 108 over 2. You get 54. So let's find the ratio of the areas. The ratio of the areas is 150 over 54. And we would reduce. can divide by, what number goes into both of those that you can think of? 4? Let's see. 150 divided by 4. Nope. 6. 150 divided by 6 is 25, and 54 divided by 6 is 9. So if I cut these by 6, you get 25 over 9. And that, my friends, is in simplest form. So this is the ratio of the areas. All you're doing is putting in a fraction and simplifying. Okay, what are the measures of the base and height of the shaded triangle? Notice this, my friends, is an obtuse triangle. Okay, so I need my base and my height. Well, it looks like my height is outside. Which one's my height of all these measures? You're correct. 5 is your height. Which is your base? Well, it's only a side of the triangle, 9. So these are the only 2 numbers you need. This was thrown in there to make you confused. It's not part of the shaded triangle. And this was in there to make you confused. So let's see. First, let's find the base is 9 feet and the height is 5 feet. Good. So I wanted you to first be able to identify those 2 things. And last but not least, our last problem. Label the triangles with a base of 15 and a height of 7. Okay, so here it looks like my height is inside, and that would be 7 meters. And then your base would be this whole bottom of 15 meters. Number 2 is a right triangle, where our sides are our base and our height. So this is our height of 7 meters. And this is our base of 15 meters. And the last one's obtuse, so your height is outside of 7 meters. And your base, it only goes to here. Remember, it does not contain that part, is 15 meters. Awesome. So, attached to this is a worksheet. It says homework worksheet area of the triangle day 2. Okay, it's actually day 1, but do this whole paper, please. Have it completed for when we meet again. I wish you a happy Friday. I wish you a wonderful weekend. And I will see you soon, okay? Thanks. Bye.